So today we're going to be looking at a sandal, weirdly enough, that's turned down collabs with brands like Webmons and has been seen on feet of people like Kaya Gerber. I have a massive crush on her, by the way. What's up, you guys? It's Alan and welcome to this video. You know, I need to figure out new ways of opening and closing my videos because it seems to be quite commonplace. You know, everybody saying, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or I sign out saying, see you in the next one, peace. It's time to innovate because how else can we move forward? But anyway, let's get out of the way. Today I have a weird thing that I'm reviewing. It's a sandal, a Birkenstock. Before we get into the sandal, I also picked up a few other things, so I'm going to take you through the... I can't call it a shopping haul per se, but let's look at the things, alright? I got these socks from Jacquemus. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is from the S-Sense website, and my friend Paul was coming down from US. And the reason I picked these up is because I was so confident that I would win the New Balance Jound raffle. Man, I really love that pair, and I wanted socks that would go with them, and I didn't win the raffle and I'm now stuck with these, but hey man, no regrets. And next up, with the lockdown easing out and things opening up, I picked up two Lacoste polos. This colorway I've actually had my eye on for the longest time. It's a boxy fit. I got a size L. It's a lot more relaxed than my regular t-shirt. I've had my eyes on these for at least 2 years now, I think, and I finally got them. They were on clearance, so I wanted to save money. Hey, right now money is not really freely flowing, so I had to be wise. And this pink colorway, this is a regular fit, a size L as well. The logo is slightly different on the chest right there, more sporty. So in comparison, this one fits a lot more right in comparison, as in it's a lot more better looking and fit in comparison to the boxy fit of the sand color. And if there's one thing that I've been doing regularly through the lockdown, it's going and shopping for groceries every weekend. So got this tote. It's a Reebok classic tote. Again, I got this because it was on clearance. It's a Women's Day release, so it says it's a man's world and it's struck out like that. So good for me to go and pick my muesli, my milk, fruit juice, veggies, whatever. Man, it's like 8 a.m. and I've woken up this early because my house is undergoing repairs. So there's a guy who comes in, he's scraping down the paint and they're redoing the entire place up because it's a really old place. And once he's here, at 10 a.m. I have absolutely no privacy till I think 9 p.m. So yeah, I woke up early just to do this video on a Saturday. Man, is that why my eyes are... I mean, you might see that my eyes are puffy. It's close to 9 now because it takes me about an hour to get started. Let me unbox this. A nice Birkenstock double box. So the box right here has a range of their product silhouettes and the names of those products. A basic blue box, Birkenstock. I picked up the Birkenstock Arizona slide in EVA. Let me get this out, put the box aside. Well, they have this clip through which your slides hang when at a retail store, I guess. And they also have information about the famous Birkenstock footbed. You know, the toe grip, the breathable upper, the cork, and all of that. The Birkenstock Arizona sandal in EVA. Interesting thing is that they don't even strap this on, so I think it's up to you to strap it. It's got two separate mid straps. And what the Birkenstock is famous for is their footbed. You know, the way it's been built or designed or whatever for comfort. So let me run you through a bit of trivia as I strap on my sandals. Birkenstock is a German brand, if you guys didn't already know. And till date, they are manufactured in Germany. That's how they maintain their heritage or their heritage, right? Their legacy. So all of the Birkenstock products till date are manufactured at their facilities in Germany, and I think they have 3 or 4 of them, if I'm not mistaken, based in Germany. And you know, why did I buy Birkenstock? I've heard so much about their comfort, and you know, we've been spending so much time under lockdown that a slide just makes absolute sense, because the one that I wear at home have kind of worn out. I think you can see my Easy slides right there. Yeah, this is what I regularly wear when I go outside, my Easy slides. I think the Arizona has been in existence since 1973, and initially, obviously, when it made its inroads to America, people shied away from it because I think it was considered like, I don't know, in India at least, it's considered an old man sandal. The right term is an uncle sandal that we use, and that's the reason people would have shied away from it. But then in the 2000s, they found like newfound fame or whatever. You had Phoebe Philo from Celine using Birkenstock kind of sandals on the runway, and then other designers like Givenchy also copied it. I think Marc Jacobs had, was it Marc Jacobs? I think Marc Jacobs had actually used Birkenstocks for one of his shows, his runway shows, actual runway shows, much before, ahead of his time, as always. And I remember going to Seoul DXB in Dubai, and you know, Seoul DXB is all about sneakers and streetwear and all of that stuff. And surprisingly, Birkenstock had like this massive ass, you know, huge ass area where they had all their products, and that was the Rick Owens collab that they dropped. And I remember swinging by to take a look at it and see maybe if I could pick something up, and man, those were like crazy expensive. Like I think I paid, oh yeah, $3,000. Yeah, I paid like $3,000 for these EVA sandals, and I think those were like some 20,000. I can't remember. Indian rupees, I'm talking about Indian rupees. Interesting trivia for all you hype beasts out there who are like probably laughing at me for wearing Birkenstocks. Birkenstock was approached by Supreme for a collab, and they turned it out. They flat out refused the collab. So man, if that isn't saying something about this brand and what they stand for, I mean, obviously cross-pollination of brands is a really good idea, but the reason Birkenstock said no is because they were like, we are very picky with whom we associate with, and we don't want to be like prostituting out our brand. Ouch, ouch. So I was talking about how 2020 is the year of slides, and as it turns out, Vogue magazine, I think it is British Vogue if I'm not mistaken, have named the Birkenstock the sandal or the footwear of 2020. You know, obviously you have Kendall Jenner and Gigi Hadid and all of them wearing Birkenstocks with or without socks. So it's obviously going to be trending right now, like super hot. So now that I've laced them up, or do I say strap them on, this is your EVA Birkenstock. They also had a nice mint color which I should have picked up. I picked up a UK 8, which is a 42. Now Birkenstock is really famous for their footbed, so you see how your heel rests here and this area rises up, and you have your toe grip and all of that, your midfoot support. This is a complete EVA sandal, whereas their traditional ones come with cork and leather and so on. And the good thing about Birks is that they really last a really long time. You have the branding right there on your buckle, like you saw at the beginning of the video. You need to buckle this up as per your specification, and that's your outsole. It looks like bones, bow ties and bones, and it's got Birk embossed, debossed, I don't know. But yeah, these are so clean. Let me now get these on my feet with some socks, because I haven't cleaned my toes in a really long time. No way I'm going to be showing you that, and I'll show you what they look like on feet. So that was it for today's video, you guys. You don't know what finger I'm holding up. Alright, for real though, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Our first dine-in date after 7 months.